How to start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. To get started, you can go to Northwest Registered Agent's website. Once you're on this page, you can click on Start an LLC right here. As you'll notice, I just go to their homepage and go through the sales process. Since creating this video, we became an affiliate with Northwest Registered Agent, and we have a better offer that I'll show you at the very end of this video. You can see it in more detail when you visit Northwest Registered Agent using our affiliate link in the description below. By using our link, you'll be able to pay less than half of what you'll see me pay for setting up our new LLC. Next, you want to select the state where you'd like to create your limited liability company. We're going to set up our LLC in Delaware. Here's the process for starting an LLC in Delaware. Also, I'm not a lawyer, and nothing in this video is legal advice, it's for purely educational purposes. Name your LLC. Designate a registered agent. Submit LLC articles of formation. Write an LLC operating agreement. Get an EIN. Open a bank account. Fund the LLC. File and report your taxes. And that's all we have to do. Also, know that Northwest Registered Agent can help you set up your LLC in all 50 states. Here's more information on each one of these steps. Down below, let's click on Get Ready to Start an LLC in Delaware. Form a new company. Order information. What type of business would you like to start? LLC, corporation, or nonprofit? We'll create an LLC. Where would you like to form your business? We'll choose Delaware. We have 3 options for processing time. For 7 days, $315. If we change this to 3 days, it is $365. For 1 day, it will cost you $415. I think for me, I'm okay with the 3-day processing and paying a little bit more, so let's select that and move forward. Now, comes the company details. What would you like your business name to be? Enter the business name, and they'll add LLC to the end. Business purpose, use a generic business purpose. If we unclick this, you can write it out, but I think we can just go with a generic business purpose, and it gives us more flexibility later on. Physical address. What physical address do you want on record with the state? If you want to learn more about that, you can click right here. Mailing address, use our registered agent's address and then click on Continue. Company management. Management type, member managed or manager managed. So, are the owners managing it, or is there a hired manager that's running the LLC? We're going to select member managed. How many members will be in this company? 1 member. That's what we're going to have. Enter my information. Address to record with the state. Use registered agent address, mailing address, or some other address. We're going to stick with our registered agent's address. Continue. Set up your account now. Now, enter your contact details. This information is for Northwest Registered Agent, not for the state where you're creating your LLC. Continue. Now for the optional items. We'll file your annual report for you in Delaware. New York Publication Service, no. Tax ID, yes, we're going to want to do. There are different options here if you have a social security number or not. The process is a little more complex, and generally, you'll be charged more if you don't have a social security number. You can see here with a social security number, it added $50 to the price. If we click on Do Not Have, it's going to end up costing $200. S corporation election with the IRS, there are some benefits to being taxed as an S corporation. Physical mail forwarding, let's learn a little more about that. We offer a $20 premium monthly mail forwarding package. It is unlimited. You choose the state where you want your mail sent. We provide an address and unique suite number for your business in that state. Choose between same-day digital scanning or weekly physical mail forwarding. Then, down below, virtual office, I think this is basically the same as premium mail forwarding. And trademark service, we don't need. And phone service, we don't need. Corporate supplies, what kind of supplies? Books and seals, notary stamp, 10 certificates, overseas shipping? No, thank you. That looks like everything we need. Let's quickly go through the order summary. Filing service fee, $100. 3-day processing, $140. Tax ID, $50. Premium mail forwarding, $20 per month. Registered agent service, $125 per year. Looks pretty good to me. Let's continue. Guess it's time to pay now. Once you've done that, click on Done. Let's save the password. Now they want us to review all the information that will be submitted and then click on Save. Looks good. Processing time is about 2 weeks, but if we pay an expedited fee, we can get it done basically a week sooner. I think it's probably worth that, so I'm going to add this upgrade. Import new business items. S Corp, we don't need right now. Phone service, not necessary. Corporate book and seal, no, thank you. Then again, order summary, $99. Then submit. It says here you have order items requiring attention. Let's click on that. Standard Federal EIN Tax ID filing. Responsible party, me. My social security number. Number of members. Company start date, looks like that's already filled in for us. Principal activity, financial education. Add the company's physical address as well as a company mailing address. Then they ask a few more specific questions. Owns a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of over 55,000 pounds? None of that. There's no gambling or wagering. There's no excise tax return. We don't sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms. You have or expect to have any employees who will receive a W-2 in the next 12 months? No to that as well. Well, let's confirm. Alright, so welcome to our account filing orders. Looks like here we're all set with the EIN, it's just pending the state formation. As soon as we're all set with Delaware, then we'll get our EIN. As I mentioned earlier in the video, if you use our affiliate link, you'll come to a page that looks like this. You can form your LLC for $39. That's Northwest Registered Agent's fee. Then there's the $90 filing fee for the state of Delaware and $50 for an EIN number. That's it. The registered agent service is free for the first year instead of $125 that you saw earlier in the video. You can create an LLC, in this case in Delaware, plus get your EIN for a total of $179 with our link down below. If you now want to learn about the benefits of creating an LLC, check out this video right here. I hope to see you in another video.